Welcome to 4549 Sawmill Place in Nolensville's Bent Creek neighborhood. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home measuring over 2,600 square feet, built by Jones Company in 2005. Step inside, and immediately to your right is the formal dining room. It measures 12 by 12 feet with hardwood floor. Adjacent to it are hallways leading into the living room. It's a spacious 19 by 17 feet with a ceiling fan, carpet, and 3 southeast-facing windows overlooking the backyard. It opens directly into the charming kitchen with eat-in area. It's 19 by 12 feet with hardwood floor, pantry, and quick access to the laundry room and garage. Double doors in the eat-in area take you outside to the 16 by 20 wood deck. It overlooks a large backyard with mature trees and an aluminum fence for privacy. Back inside, and also on the main floor, is the master bedroom, measuring 15 by 12 feet. It's carpeted and also has a master bathroom suite. In here, there's a double vanity, stand-in shower, and a garden tub. Adjacent to the master bathroom is the master closet, with double window and lots of space. Upstairs we go, on into the bonus room. It's spacious, 20 by 19 feet, carpeted and in the heart of the second floor. It branches into all the upstairs bedrooms. Here's a look at bedroom 2, measuring 12 by 12 feet with a walk-in closet. Next to it is the upstairs full bathroom, which divides bedroom 2 from bedroom 3. It measures 13 by 12 feet with its own large closet. Finally, we cross the bonus room again and head into bedroom 4, measuring 15 by 11 feet with a large closet and a northwest-facing window. Come check out 4549 Sawmill Place in Nolensville's Bent Creek neighborhood today. To schedule a showing, call my mobile phone at 500-6393 or email flint@homesaroundnashville.com. And don't forget to visit us on the web at homesaroundnashville.com.